Welcome to everybody. We are in the classroom, digital classroom of microscopy of the Department of Geosciences of University of Padua. You will see around people working today, and they are setting the new digital classroom, which consists of 26 microscopes coupled with video cameras connected to a main server, which allow the student to project what is looking during the class directly on the class screen. This new configuration allows to have a new type of teaching activity, which is student-centered, and it means that the student is the one who can make a question directly looking at his fin section and projecting the fin sections to ask the specific questions on a mineral type, microstructure, or to identify a rock, sediment, or soil. This new type of teaching is very important for us since it does not only allow the student to learn about geology, material science, or archaeology independent of the teaching course, but also allow to develop the soft skill of the student. So it is very important because it's a new modern concept of teaching. Very important is to say that the microscope we have, they are coupled with a digital camera, which allow the student to take his own images, which can be downloaded in the student devices like smartphone, tablet, or PC. So the student can prepare his own notebook with the images and video recorded during the class. So it's a new way of teaching because the student is not using only the PowerPoint or the material provided by the professor or the books, but also the notes made by themselves, also with the right images and videos. So it's another way of teaching, putting the student at the center of the teaching class. We are pleased since this room will be used by different students of different background, since we have students of the bachelor degree in Scienze Geologiche and Earth and Climate Dynamics, as well as Natural Sciences, as well as master students of Earth Dynamics and Applied Science to Cultural Heritage Materials and Sites, which take benefit of using these sort of facilities. Students will be able to study properly mineral, rocks, soils, sediments, natural material as well as artificial material produced nowadays, as well as those produced in ancient periods, using modern devices which obviously will increase their knowledge also in a modern way.